Here we have some YouTube news. Apparently, they're launching something called Supervised Experiences, which is going to help parents choose what content their kids can see because, YouTube could be a nasty place over there, Will.
Yes. The internet, really.
Well, the internet, sure. But YouTube specifically tends to be a place where kids spend a lot of time or could spend a lot of time. And it's tough to police what's going on over there. It's this combination of machine learning and human review and users flagging things. It's so hard, man, with the amount of content you're trying to police. Anyway, they're looking to help parents bridge the gap between the YouTube Kids app and the full-out YouTube app. Because the YouTube Kids app is mostly for the real youngsters. And then you get the in-between where it's like, well, they're not trying to just watch Baby Shark. But also, there's stuff on YouTube is age-gated. There's stuff on YouTube that, I don't know, whatever. It's adult in nature. So this new Supervised Experiences is a set of restrictions that will let you determine the level of strictness you choose for your kid. From Explore, which YouTube says is generally suitable for kids 9 and up, Explore More, which is kids 13 and up, and then Most of YouTube, which is everything except age-gated content. And once kids are above 13, they can open their own YouTube account anyway. But as far as what each one of these is going to include, Explore would have vlogs, tutorials, gaming videos, music clips, news, educational content, and more. Which they had to throw that educational content in there. Explore More goes to a wider range as well as live streams. And then the Most of YouTube brings in sensitive topics that may only be suitable for older teens. They're trying to do like what the movie business did. Right. Or the TV business, I guess, with the rating in the corner and try to find the right content for the right age group. That's the goal here. But it's a tremendously ambitious undertaking to try to not only set what those parameters are, but then to police those parameters and ensure that the right stuff is going to the right places because of the sheer amount of content.
Yes.
But anyway.